And step 4 is going to be the customizing the actual content, or it could be the widgets that you're having on your portal, right? So you can decide what all you would like to show, what all you would like to display. So that part of customization can be done. And again, what comes to my rescue is the live UI, right? Because I cannot open all the available harnesses. I cannot keep checking everything, right? So I could just use the simple live UI option to identify the appropriate rule. It could be just a layout, it could be a menu option. So I can open it and accordingly I can customize it. So all these 4 steps are related to the customization part, right? Where you can deal with all of these things. You can decide the menu options. Because the left side, I see a lot of things here, right? I see new dashboard, work, documents. But for every application, I cannot just expect these. They depend upon the requirement you're handling. So you can customize those portal menus. Right? And you can change the logo of your application. Because I'm not trying to promote Pega, I should promote my own brand, right? So the replacement of logos is definitely a part of customization. Then the dashboard that you see, the widgets, right? So dashboard widgets that a manager looks at, or probably any specific user looks at, that also can be manipulated according to the requirement. So all of these things that we have done relating to the customization part, when creating new portals, harnesses, and changing the logos, background, so everything is good. But what is one main or key thing that we have to do is